Okay, so I took pretty much my first trade of the year. It is obviously the odd NZD. We did get a scan on this trade. It was up about here, the entry. I didn't like it, so I just waited, and my area of interest was right here, this banker's candle, and it shot up. That's where I put my entry. It worked out quite well. If it didn't hit all the way down here, I could have found a place to come in as it was going up. No big deal. But I just want to show you something, how accurate this stuff is, okay? Here is trader's view, or trading view. Sorry about the reflection. So what I did was I went to the daily, right, on Euro odd NZD. And that's the area of interest I was looking at, right there, okay? This banker's candle, and then that shot up. So I went about 50% of that banker's candle, and look where my entry was, right there. I mean, I barely had any drawdown. So you learn this strategy, get on those webinars. I'm gonna have to tell you, everything is gonna change for you. Towards the end of last year, I was really cranking it out. I was doing seriously 300, 400 pips a week. It was just insane. So I'm very choosy with the trades I take. The scanner pops them up for us. A lot of the trades I do not like. This was really the only one I really liked. I am looking at the Euro USD, but not so much. I mean, I'm in this trade right now. It's Thursday. We'll see where this goes. I brought my stop loss up pretty much to break even. I have two trades. I twin traded it. I may take one out for profit. I don't know. There's a lot of room for this to go. And we just had some really good Australian economic news, and pray for all the people in Australia. That's a horrible situation over there. But this strategy works like a charm. The key to your success here is literally, I mean, it's so simple. You've got to get on the live training webinars and ask questions. If you can't get on the lives, you have to watch the recordings and then ask questions in the group. And you've got to spend time on the charts, right? You've got to spend time on the charts. If I had gotten in up here, I would have been stopped out. You know what I mean? Because the scan is no longer, in the scanner. It's gone, right? But I kept my eye on it because that right there, this area of interest. And again, I'll go over to trader's view. That's what I was looking at, right? I love that area. This is where I put my stop loss, so it wasn't a huge stop loss. And again, look where that baby hit. I'm up 100 pips. So we'll see where this goes. It's only Thursday, but I make these quick things just so you know I'm in these trades and it works. It works like a charm. Be very selective with the trades you're in. Make sure you do a top-down analysis. Get on the live webinars. Ask questions and spend time on the charts, and you will have a very successful 2020. Look at that. That's craziness. This is on a daily chart. Absolutely insane. So anyways, just wanted to make this quick video. Have an awesome day and make some pips.